Hello and welcome back to Neetu's Nest. In this video, we're going to see how to make a chocolate pudding. This is an easy treat to all the chocolate lovers out there. We are going to make this pudding recipe without any eggs, without any gelatin, or without any oven as well. So we are using custard powder to create the gelatinous texture for our pudding. So let's see how to make this super easy recipe. To a saucepan, pour around 500 ml of full fat milk and let it come to a boil. Now to this add half cup of granulated sugar and stir this until it is dissolved completely. Now to this add around 200 gram of dark chocolate. Now stir this until the chocolate is completely dissolved. The chocolate which I have used here is dark sweet cooking chocolate, which I have made into small bits. Now take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and dissolve it in around 4 tablespoons of milk. The milk used here is boiled and cooled milk. Now add the custard milk mixture slowly while stirring the chocolate mixture. Continue to stir this to avoid lumps and until the mixture thickens. Now turn off the stove. Now take the serving cups. Here I am going to take some crushed Oreo biscuits and putting it into the glass as the first layer. Now on top of this, pour 2 big ladles of the chocolate mixture into each of the glasses. Pour this when it is hot as it will set as it cools. Now you can add some crushed nuts on top of it. In this recipe for making the chocolate custard, if not sugar, you can also use condensed milk with the same quantity. Now you can add some cornflakes or crushed rusk as the next layer. Now again on top of the cornflakes you can pour 2 big ladles of the chocolate mixture. Now you can top this with some cornflakes or some crushed biscuits and dry fruits. It is completely optional and you can decorate as per your wish. Now put them in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours for them to set completely. And you can serve this chilled. Hope you like this quick recipe. Do try it out and let me know your feedback in the comments. All the best and happy cooking.